Hi friends, welcome to your ultimate guide to the best things to do in Havana, the vibrant, colorful, and timeless capital of Cuba that feels like stepping into a living museum. Whether you're here for the classic cars, the irresistible salsa rhythms, or the rich history, this Caribbean jewel offers an unforgettable blend of colonial charm and revolutionary spirit. From wandering through historic plazas to sipping authentic mojitos, we've got you covered with 10 unforgettable experiences. The city's infectious energy, stunning architecture, and warm-hearted people make every moment feel like a celebration. Let's dive in and discover why Havana should be at the top of your travel bucket list. 1. Cruise in a classic American car. First up, you absolutely must take a ride in a vintage American convertible, the iconic symbol of Havana that colors its streets with 1950s nostalgia. These beautifully maintained classics, Chevrolets, Fords, and Cadillacs in vibrant pinks, blues, and yellows, offer the perfect way to see the city in style. You can hire one for a tour along the Malecón Seawall, past Capitolio, and through Vedado's leafy streets. Feeling the Caribbean breeze in your hair while rolling past pastel-colored buildings in a piece of living history is the quintessential Havana experience. It's like traveling back in time while creating unforgettable memories. 2. Explore Old Havana's historic squares. Next, lose yourself in the enchanting cobblestone streets of Habana Vieja, Old Havana, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where history lives in every corner. This beautifully restored area features 4 main plazas: Plaza de Armas, Plaza Vieja, Plaza de San Francisco, and Plaza de la Catedral, each with its own unique character and surrounded by stunning colonial architecture. You can admire Baroque churches, browse second-hand book markets, watch local artists at work, and feel the energy of daily Cuban life unfolding around you. The preservation efforts here have maintained the area's authentic charm while bringing its glorious past back to life. 3. Sip mojitos at La Bodeguita del Medio follow in the footsteps of Ernest Hemingway and enjoy an authentic mojito at La Bodeguita del Medio, the legendary bar that claims to be the birthplace of Cuba's most famous cocktail. This historic establishment in Old Havana maintains its rustic charm with walls covered in signatures of famous visitors and locals alike. The atmosphere is always lively with Cuban music, the clinking of glasses, and the buzz of conversation in multiple languages. While the mojitos are the main attraction, the experience of being part of Havana's cultural history in this iconic spot is what makes it truly special. Salud. 4. Walk the Malecón Seawall. Join locals in their favorite evening ritual by strolling along the Malecón, Havana's iconic 5-mile seawall that serves as the city's communal living room. This broad esplanade comes alive at sunset when fishermen cast their lines, families gather to socialize, musicians play, and couples find romantic spots to watch the waves crash against the wall. The pastel-colored buildings along the waterfront glow in the evening light, creating a magical atmosphere that captures Havana's soul. It's the perfect place to feel the city's pulse, make new friends, and watch daily life unfold against the beautiful Caribbean backdrop. Hit the like button if you like the video. 5. Experience the Tropicana Nightclub. Step back into 1950s glamour at the world-famous Tropicana Nightclub, the legendary open-air cabaret that has been dazzling audiences since 1939. This spectacular show features dozens of dancers in elaborate costumes, incredible live music, and breathtaking performances under the stars. The venue itself, set amidst tropical gardens, adds to the magical atmosphere that has attracted celebrities and visitors for decades. While it's one of Havana's splurge experiences, the combination of talented performers, historic setting, and infectious Cuban rhythms makes for an unforgettable night that embodies the city's celebratory spirit. 6. Visit the Revolution Museum. Dive into Cuba's complex history at the Museo de la Revolución, housed in the former presidential palace that tells the story of the Cuban Revolution from the revolutionary perspective. The exhibits feature photographs, documents, weapons, and artifacts that trace the revolutionary struggle, including Fidel Castro's landing with the Granma yacht. Outside, you can see military equipment used during the revolution, including the actual tank commanded by Che Guevara. The museum provides essential context for understanding modern Cuba, offering a powerful and thought-provoking look at the events and ideology that shaped the nation as it is today. 7. Discover Fusterlandia in Jaimanitas. Experience one of Havana's most unique artistic creations at Fusterlandia, the vibrant mosaic-covered neighborhood created by artist Jose Fuster. What began as decorating his own home has expanded to cover entire blocks with colorful tiles, sculptures, and artistic elements in a style reminiscent of Gaudí. You can wander through this fantasy land of swirling patterns, mythological creatures, and Cuban themes that transform an ordinary neighborhood into an open-air art gallery. The project represents the incredible creativity and resourcefulness of the Cuban people and has become one of Havana's most Instagram-worthy and joyful attractions. 8. Watch a baseball game. Experience Cuba's national passion by attending a baseball game, the country's most beloved sport that draws enthusiastic crowds and talented players. The energy at Estadio Latinoamericano is electric, with passionate fans, lively music, and impressive athleticism on display. Even if you're not a baseball expert, the atmosphere alone is worth the visit. You'll see why many consider Cuban baseball some of the most exciting in the world. Grab a beer, cheer with the locals, and enjoy this authentic cultural experience that brings together communities and showcases Cuban talent and passion for the game. 9. Tour a Cuban cigar factory. Learn about one of Cuba's most famous exports with a tour of a cigar factory, where you can witness the meticulous art of hand-rolling premium cigars. While the Partagas factory is currently closed for renovation, other facilities offer tours where you can see skilled torcedores, cigar rollers at work, transforming tobacco leaves into world-renowned cigars through processes that have changed little for centuries. The tour explains the different tobacco varieties, aging processes, and quality control measures that make Cuban cigars so sought after. It's a fascinating look at a traditional craft that remains central to Cuban culture and economy. 10. Enjoy live music at a Paladar. Experience Havana's incredible music scene by enjoying live bands at a Paladar, private restaurant, where fantastic food meets irresistible Cuban rhythms. Unlike state-run establishments, these family-owned restaurants often feature talented musicians playing son, salsa, bolero, and other traditional Cuban genres in intimate settings. You can savor delicious Cuban cuisine, from ropa vieja to fresh seafood, while listening to some of the best music in the world. The combination of great food, fantastic music, and warm hospitality creates the perfect Havana evening that engages all your senses and leaves you understanding why music is the heartbeat of Cuban culture. And there you have it, 10 incredible ways to experience the music, history, and vibrant energy of Havana. Whether you're cruising in a classic convertible, dancing to live salsa, or exploring historic plazas, this captivating city offers an unforgettable journey through time and culture. The warmth of its people, the beauty of its architecture, and the rhythm of its streets create memories that will stay with you long after you've left. Which Havana experience are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides to amazing Caribbean destinations.